Hi, in front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Continue in the pop-up. Then Allow in the second one and finally choose Clean at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!